Stop shouting at me. There's yours.
Cheers, mate.
10 minutes or less.
7.
You know.
You want to jump?
On the line is good.
Come over.
Yes!
Yes. Yes,
Ball's out.
Chase Will, covering good.
You've got penalty advantage, Tom. Back on the line. Back on the line. Okay. Okay. It's all getting a bit frenetic, isn't it? Let's bring it from on the 5, yeah?
Charlie, take a knee. Charlie, take a knee. Just take a knee. Boy.
We've got players down all around me.
Crown. Right. Okay. Forward, leg up.
If I'd seen a hand as to who it was, I would have given a yellow against. I couldn't see it. That was it. I didn't see. Got about 6 minutes left.
Thank you, sir.
Get them going, boys.
Got about 6 minutes left. Got about 6 minutes left.
6 minutes.
If I would have seen whose hand it was, he probably would have been off, but I didn't see anywhere.
Boys, come here.
Are you okay, Paul?
Yeah, just grab it.
Boys, hold sharp. I'm going low.
Okay, wait on me. Wait on me.
Ready!
Wait. He's on his back. Make sure you're behind the kicker.
Stay like boy!
Just 5 metres max, yeah, and that's all you need to do.
Can we be what here?
You can be on the 5, yeah.
Just carry that. Carry that.
Backwards! You can go. Okay. You can go.
A spectator, is that a red card or a yellow?
It's just a melee.
Yeah, melee.
Don't. Leave it now. Leave it. This is ridiculous.
It is, especially on a day like this.
It's been going all right.
No, I mean, on a day like this, the fucking weather's been horrible.